So y'all probably familiar with this look because I just wore it in another video that I filmed today. But today I am decorating my balcony. So I am about to head out to go get all the stuff for my balcony. I have made a Pinterest board of all the stuff I wanted. I've been wanting to do this for like a year now. By the way, I'm so cute. I know, you don't gotta tell me. But yeah, so I'm about to go get Brittany, my assistant. She's gonna help me film this video today. So I'm about to head out and I'm about to go get her, and then we're gonna go get some stuff for my patio. So I figured this should be more of a vlog since I'm like shopping it and decorating it. So yeah, stay tuned. I hope it turns out cute because I'm excited. I'm ready to sit on my patio. Colors like the yellows, blacks, pinks, like that.
It's all the stuff you wear.
Yeah, basically.
Okay.
My whole outfit.
Okay.
From at home, no, from Home Goods. So we're gonna go to At Home, see what they have first, and then if we still don't find what we like, we'll come back and get the stuff that we had in our cart here. But I wasn't in love with it. I feel like I was settling, and you know, I don't settle. So we're about to go to At Home, and I feel like we're gonna find more stuff at home because I used to shop there for my dorm, and they have like everything in multiple colors. Yeah, and yeah, so I feel like that's the place to go. So off to At Home. Okay, now I feel like the light is better this way. We're at Home Goods, and I feel like we're gonna get better options here. See, look at the seating. Yeah. Yeah, I just saw it.
I love those eggs.
Why are you on Amazon and driving?
I was sitting in traffic. I was like, I should be productive.
So, yeah, see, look, they have multiple colors of multiple. Yeah. We're gonna have fun in here. We're gonna have fun in here. Oh, and then look at these pillows. See, I nuked it.
Nuked it. All right.
$100 already.
Yep, we just got started.
Oh my gosh. We need to find a coupon. Maybe we in the premium section.
Maybe it's a clearance. See if we can find a clearance section. I don't know what the markdown is.
Together.
I like that.
Should I just get the pink?
2 big pink and then keep those small gold and then you good.
$400 on silver.
Yep.
Oh my God.
No more pillows. Let's go get you a table. Let's get out this section.
So we okay, so we have decided. I keep knocking shit over.
You knocked the whole display over, bro. Marrica. A whole display. Can't take her nowhere. She'll leave me to pick it up.
I was recording too. Okay, so what I was saying, you take the car. So what I was trying to say was we have decided that we're just gonna get the pillows here and then go somewhere else for the decorations, because the stuff at home is a little bit pricey, but they do have the pillows that I'm looking for. So we're about to exchange these two gray, dark gray, for the light gray. So yeah, we're about to exchange these bottom pillows for a less expensive version, and then we're gonna leave because it's just not working out to buy everything here. We're gonna end up spending $1,000. Two of these that come with the bottom and the top, and then we're getting two of each color pillow.
These are arm pillows,
and these are
throw pillows.
Yes, cool. Woohoo!
All right, let's do it.
So we're about to check out. We're gonna get this, and then we're gonna head to IKEA for the rest of the stuff. We have been to 3 stores. We have only purchased at 1 store. This is gonna be a good video.
Process. I like it.
We should do this more often.
We should.
The IKEA. I'm already grabbing things that are not on the list.
Nope. But whatever.
Impulse buyers. This is why I don't leave the house. Because I'll be broke. So we're taking a lunch break. And then after this, if we ain't got it, we ain't got it. I ain't getting out the car again. Jesus will. Amen.
Or a kiss the devil mystic.
I don't know why I have to get chicken tenders everywhere. And literally everybody in front of us was one meatballs. The whole line wanted meatballs.
Everybody.
Okay. That kind of hit. That slap. Is that what people say now?
With the french fries?
Is that what the kids are saying these days? I wish there was an IKEA by my house. I would eat there all the time because this was very inexpensive. You could feed a whole family under $20. Maybe 30, depends on how many kids you got. But the kids meal was $2.99. It's like Thanksgiving dinner.
Hey.
Brittany is always yelling at other people's kids.
Well, they won't yell at them.
Like, bro.
Do y'all hear that? So nobody would have listened to that while they eating.
Okay, so we're leaving IKEA. I got me some new plants.
Yep.
Fingers crossed I don't kill them. But we're about to go back to Home Goods, but we're going to a different Home Goods because we have everything but like a table. And that seems to be the last moving piece to this puzzle.
Right.
And then we're gonna go to my house and set it all up. Well, I thought we was gonna make it back to my house before the sun go down, but
Clearly not.
that don't seem to be the case.
Clearly not.
But yeah, this is all the stuff we got from IKEA. We got 2 little plants, big plant, pillow, and lights. It's gonna be cute, watch. It's gonna be cute. It's gonna be real cute. Alright, bro. We got all this stuff. This finna be cute. Oh my gosh, this finna be cute. Okay, let's go. Okay, so far the most expensive thing has been the pillows, the pillows and the seat cushions from at home. So we're about to go to Home Goods. All this stuff in my car, but it's gonna be cute. I'm so excited because I've never decorated any patio, any like well, not backyard, but I haven't decorated any outside areas of any of my apartments, so I'm excited about this. I think I'm gonna get a rug too. We're gonna see though. Yay! Oh, we need to take a picture of me in the store.
Okay.
Okay, so we're back at the house. We brought all the stuff in, all the pallets. There's another one. Oh, and then here's Sasha over here, looking real cute, ready to go outside. So now we gotta put it all outside. But it's dark outside. It's a little light.
Yeah, it's a little light.
No, I'm saying it's a little light.
Oh.
Okay, so this is the patio before. Let's see if we can get a good angle. So this is before. See it? This is before we put anything out there. Look at my house. Okay, house, you look cute. Together, guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm like so excited to sit out here now. And now we just added the plants. So freaking cute. And then we got this side. I'm going to love sitting out here. Ain't nobody tell me nothing. Okay. Yeah, we definitely could add another seat.
Yeah. Or you can even get like a little plant stand to put these guys in the lamp on.
Yeah.